Hey guys, it's the Bitcoin consultant here. One of the things I wanted to talk about is that the state of the US economy right now is one of increasing debt. So public debt is around 34 trillion and the interest expense alone is 1.6 trillion per year. One of the big reasons I'm bullish on desirable assets like Bitcoin or property in good locations, and the same reason why stocks have continued to go up over time is that the US, unless it can really increase its incomes through exports or seriously cut its spending, is consistently increasing debt. If you look back to the 1980s, they've increased debt every single year. Normally, to counteract this, they've been able to reduce interest rates, and that helps reduce the cost of having so much debt. However, what we've got now is a situation where they've actually cut interest rates down to near zero in April of 2020. And now that they're experiencing inflation, they've started lifting interest rates again. That hasn't brought down debt. In fact, the debt is going up even faster. And one of the reasons behind this is that countries, companies, and individuals that buy government debt, so US treasuries and bonds, paid a coupon or they get paid interest on buying that debt. And so as the US increases interest rates to try and slow down inflation, at the same time, they're also increasing their own debt because they've got to pay that interest to people that invest in their bonds. So they've now got a double-edged sword where they've got high inflation, high debt, and interest rate policy isn't going to be able to fix it. So usually what happens is governments and central banks, they'll put up with higher for longer inflation, and ultimately that's going to mean asset prices will continue to go higher. The only big shock in the story would be if the US massively reduced spending and had a huge contraction in their economy. But I don't think this is likely. It's too politically unpopular to do this kind of thing. So I'm still very bullish Bitcoin.